Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to upgrade your current lamp into a chandelier. And also I will be showing you how to organize those annoying messy wires that you might have on your floor. If you are interested, keep on watching. Oh yes, and one more thing, don't forget to stay till the end. I do want to share something with you. Make sure to watch till the end. For this project, you will be needing these teardrops. I bought them at Amazon and I decided to make some pieces longer than others. So, just keep that in mind. Also, you will be needing some type of wire. If you don't have these, I think I had these two wires from another project, but if you don't have these ones, you can also use a hanger, a wire hanger, and you will be needing zip ties. So the first step is to make a square with that wire, and I will be using some of these plant wire that I had laying around just so I can secure both sides in place. Once I'm done with that, then I'm gonna go ahead and go to my actual lamp, and I'm gonna go ahead and set it right on top of the lamp. And I will be using the Ziploc ties to put it in place. Now I do have 3 sides only here, so I will put one on each side. It was very hard to record with one hand, but here you can see what I did. Okay, now the next step is super simple. I didn't feel I had to record it. All I did was to use paper clips just to put those teardrops in place. Okay, super easy. Next one is organizing those super annoying cords. OMG, I honestly dislike this so much. So yeah, this is the after. No wires, look at that. So I went to Dollar Tree and I got these one pack comes with 2 file holders, and I went ahead and just put it together. Now for the side, this side right here is white, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it black later just so it matches my decor. And then this hole right here, I will be using it so I could put out the wire that charges my phone and the other one that charges my watch. So inside I went ahead and just set it up the box like so. And then I also have another charger, and I will be just making a hole here. This is for my laptop, and usually I charge it under the dresser, so I will be just making a hole like so. And yeah, super duper easy. Once I have everything in place, then I'm gonna go ahead and plug in that extension cord, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place the box right between the bed and the dresser like so. Now for the next view that I'm going to show you, I wish I could tell you that it was my idea, but it wasn't. I will be linking the YouTuber that did it. I went ahead and recreated her DIY, those 2 CCs. I thought it was such a great idea and they look outstanding. I am a fan of Chanel, so I did recreate it the same DIY, a little bit different than hers, but the idea is there, and I think it looks beautiful on my dresser in my beauty room. So I just wanted to show you what lights can actually do to a space. I like it, so I just wanted to share it with you. Again, I will be putting all the information in the description box. And my friends, that is it. I hope that you like the upgrades, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.